Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin heart rate monitor. First, let's get your device ready. Begin by snapping the heart rate monitor module onto its strap, making sure the Garmin logos are facing upwards. Next, it's crucial to moisten the electrodes and contact patches on the back of the strap with a small amount of water. This helps establish a strong connection with your skin for accurate readings. Finally, adjust the strap so it fits snugly just below your sternum, ensuring it's comfortable and doesn't restrict your breathing. Now that your monitor is on, let's connect it. Wear the heart rate monitor to activate its transmission. Then, bring your Garmin watch or smartphone with the Garmin Connect app open within 3 meters or about 10 feet of the monitor. On your Garmin watch, navigate to the Sensors menu and select Add New or External Heart Rate. If using the Garmin Connect app, select Garmin Devices, then add device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. For the most accurate data, proper wearing is key. Always ensure the heart rate monitor module is right side up on your chest strap. Wearing it upside down can affect performance. The strap should be snug enough that it won't slide down during your activity, but never so tight that it feels uncomfortable or restricts movement. Also, remember that heart rate readings can have a slight lag, so give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to warm up before beginning any high-intensity workout. Maintaining your heart rate monitor ensures its longevity and accuracy. After every workout, rinse the strap thoroughly with water to prevent sweat and salt buildup. For a deeper clean, hand wash the strap with a small amount of mild detergent after about 7 uses, then air dry it completely. Do not use a dryer. When the battery needs replacing, typically after 1 year of 1 hour per day use, you'll need a CR2032 coin cell battery. Follow your specific model's instructions for easy replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.